Welcome back, YouTube. You tuning in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. So today we're about to get down with my favorite thing, man. Y'all already see what it is. Got the oxtail. So today I'm gonna be doing a Caribbean oxtail stew, my style. You know, it's not authentic or nothing. Not no recipe I got offline. It's my style. So, all right. So to start off with, of course, we got our oxtails. We got some Sazon. We got some Sazon Tropical, and we got some Welch's sauce, curry powder, jerk seasoning, bay leaves, white flour, coconut milk, beef broth, browning, and salt and pepper. So first thing I'm gonna start off with is I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna put some salt on. Next some black peppercorn pepper. What did you say right there? Now we're gonna put our curry powder over it. Don't worry, we're gonna mix that in. Sazon Tropical. And the Sazon Goyo. Throw in some jerk seasoning. Worcestershire sauce. And we're just gonna put some browning sauce over it. Sprinkle in about a third cup of flour. Now I'm going to get everything nice and combined together. Alright, so I'm going to put in some coconut milk, 13.5 ounces. And 32 ounces of beef broth. So the veggies I'm gonna be using today are onions, red, yellow, orange, green peppers, I'm gonna cook this for a total of 4 hours, but for the first hour and a half I'm gonna cook it on 400 degrees. After that we'll wrap it up. So let's go ahead. I'm about to go ahead and throw it in the oven, you guys. And let me not forget, sprinkle my all my bay leaves around in here. Okay, stay tuned, you guys. About to go in the oven. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the oven, and we're gonna wrap it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover with the foil. And we're gonna go ahead and put it back in the oven for 2 more hours. In the last hour, we're gonna add in our potatoes and carrots. Stay tuned, you guys. All right, you guys, so we about 3.5 hours in cooking our oxtails. They smell amazing. So I have here a couple lima beans that I'm gonna add in here. All right, so I'm gonna add in about a cup more beef broth. If you don't have any more beef broth, you can just add in water. Good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put it back in the oven for about 30 more minutes. Stay tuned, you guys. What I've been waiting for, what y'all been waiting for, man, it smells amazing. I wish y'all could smell this Caribbean oxtail stew. Just look at that, look at that, look at that. Ooh. It smells amazing, you guys. Yeah, I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. Hey, comment below some videos you guys would like to see in the near future. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thanks for tuning in today. Peace out.